everyone, how are you doing? This is Joan from GC Chinese. Today, we are going to start a very interesting Chinese writing journey. We are going to talk about Chinese character components and strokes, 汉字的偏旁和笔画。For beginners, Chinese characters is a little bit hard to read, write, and remember, but do not worry. You'll handle it soon enough with proper study method and enough practice. Chinese characters originated from pictures. It is hieroglyphics. With thousands of years evolution, now Chinese characters are made of components and strokes. Let's take a look at components first. Chinese character components are just like its name. They are the basic components of Chinese characters. Chinese character components represent certain meanings of Chinese. So, learning character components can help you better understanding the meaning of Chinese characters. The picture on the right lists many of the Chinese character components. Learning the components is actually quite boring, so in this video I will take several of them as examples. The remaining components will be integrated into the daily Chinese course to lead you to learn. Here is one of the Chinese character components example. This one here is 三点水, which means water. All the Chinese characters with 三点水, this component, are all related to water, such as this character here, 河, it means river. And this character here, 湖, it means lake. And this character here, 海, it means ocean. See, they are all related to water. And this component, 偏旁 here, is called 单人旁, which means person. So, most of the Chinese characters with the 单人旁 are all related to people, such as 你, it means you. 他, it means he. 侄, it means nephew. So, all those three characters are all related to people. And this component here, this 偏旁, is called 金字旁, which means metal. So most of the Chinese characters with 金字旁 are all related to metal, such as this character here. It is pronounced as 铜, and it means copper. And this character here, it's pronounced as 铁, and it means iron. And this character here, it is pronounced as 铝, and it means aluminum. See, they are all related to metal. Next one, 笔画, character strokes. Mastering the strokes of Chinese characters is also very important for the writing. Strokes are the smallest continuous unit that constitutes a Chinese character. Chinese characters are written by combining various kinds of strokes. Strokes can be divided into basic strokes and combining strokes. There are in total 8 basic strokes. 点 dot 横 a horizontal stroke from left to right. 竖 a vertical stroke from the top to the bottom. 撇 downward left stroke. Now from top to bottom right. And there are also 提 横钩 and 竖钩. And these 3 strokes are the basic strokes. Combining strokes are the combination of basic strokes. The picture on the right shows the strokes of Chinese characters. In this video, I'll take several strokes as examples. The remaining strokes will be integrated into the daily Chinese course to lead you to learn. This stroke here is called 点. In English, is dot. And this character here has the stroke 点. See, it's here. And is pronounced as liu. In English, it means 6. And this stroke here is called 横. In English, it means horizontal stroke. And this character here has a 横 on it. See, it has actually 2 strokes of this 横. And this character is pronounced as 工 and it means work. And this stroke here is 竖. In English, it means vertical stroke. And this character has 竖 stroke in it and is pronounced as 共. It means together. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thank you again. 感谢观看。